Something funny happened recently, one of those synchronicity moments. I was working on a concertina travel sketchbook, trying to mix collage and gouache, when someone contacted me to teach a collage travel sketchbook retreat in Sicily. The timing was almost perfect. I use collage a lot, either by itself or in mixed media pages or as background for my travel sketches, and I wanted to push that further by making collage on location. And this is really synchronicity because this retreat is exactly about that. It's about making a travel sketchbook on location in a concertina sketchbook with collage, drawing, painting, ephemera, a bit of this, a bit of that, and a lot of fun. So this sketchbook became one of the preparation I made for this art retreat. Before I tell you more about that, let's go to the sketchbook tour. This is a handmade concertina sketchbook with a large sheet of watercolor paper, so it's pretty heavy. It's 300 GSM, I think. And I wanted to use the full length of the sketchbook, not just work in individual pages like I would do in a regular sketchbook. And I went to Brittany, in the city called Saint-Brieuc, which is a small city with wooden timber houses and the sea, a lot of boats, a lot of seagulls, and the weather was just fine. So before leaving, I painted some blue sky a bit randomly, and then I worked on location with a bit of collage, a bit of acrylic markers, some ephemera, and I was translating what I was seeing. I was not copying what I was seeing, which is pretty much different than trying to reproduce reality. Here I wanted to really simplify the shapes so they were doable in collage. I gathered some magazine, tourism magazine, and cut out some shapes. And this is a travel sketchbook, so I wanted to tell a story about what I was seeing, what I was living. So this is having a drink and a cup of ice cream while looking at the houses. But this one, I didn't see him. It's just something that would fit well with the colors. And once I had that, I had a color scheme, something I could refer to for the rest of the concertina. So this is pretty much doing on location and moving forward and then coming back to add more colors so they respond to each other. Let's say the pink here is traveling through all the sketchbook. Ooh, that's not easy to film. Then some cute house. It was actually pink, but I added more pink to it. I love pink. It's kind of a game to use pink everywhere. Some jelly printed papers that I carried with me in a small envelope. And that's very fun to do because you have a creative constraint. You have a set of collage papers. You don't have your full studio with you. So you have to adapt, adjust, and create with what you have. And I think this is really fun to do. Some boats, a little guy from a tourism leaflet, some houses with a boat. That was not pink actually, but I wanted it to be pink. Some nice printed papers, having fun with the sky, making, some tests. Oh, a seagull, they're everywhere. And some buildings. I really think this is giving a very nice sketchbook. And for the covers, I just used a plain printed paper. But before I show you the other side, I want to talk about the art retreat I will be hosting at the end of October in Sicily. This is pretty much the approach I just showed you. We will build a travel journal sketchbook during a week in Sicily, both Palermo and Ragusa, and we will use collage, painting, sketching, ephemera, and you absolutely don't need to be an experienced sketcher. You can draw as little or as much as you want. There is no right or wrong way to do your own travel sketchbook. A few places have become recently available. I link all the information in the description under the video. So if you fancy having fun with me in Sicily and filling a travel sketchbook with collage and more, you know what to do. Now on to the second side. Here I was in front of the cathedral, which is full of different pieces of architecture, and the goal here was to simplify the shapes and to avoid drawing as much as possible. Some more wooden houses, and those two pictures come from a leaflet as well as this one. And this is all coming back. The red was a bit too intense, so when I was back home, I pasted some tissue paper on top just to lower a bit the intensity. And as I had this red, I wanted to have it somewhere else, on a boat, with the reflection in the water, on the market, some silhouettes, another house, and this was a mural painting that was really great, so I wanted to use it. And the trunk of the tree is just a leftover paper. I didn't get anything. It has this shape, and this is the shape I used. And I wanted the cover to match the vibe of the last page. So this is what I have here. And this is my wonderful sketchbook. So that's my concertina, both sides. What I learned while doing that is that this is a great way to both simplify what you see, because if you work with collage, you have to simplify, unlike drawing, and to tell a story in a long format. This is really opening a whole world of possibilities. I'm not sure this will replace my current practice with watercolor and ink, but this is a new layer that I want to incorporate in my travel sketching and urban sketching as well. I have the feeling you're gonna see a lot more collage in my travel sketchbooks. Thanks for watching. See you soon.